Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a health enthusiast or just curious about what to put on your plate, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the top 10 superfoods that not only taste amazing but are absolute powerhouses for your body. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny black seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Sprinkle them in your smoothies or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. Next is kale, the leafy green superstar, loaded with vitamins A, K, and C. This veggie helps keep your bones strong and your immune system in check. Plus, it makes a killer salad base. Coming in at number 3, it's blueberries. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants that help fight aging and improve brain health. Add them to your yogurt for a sweet and healthy treat. Number 4 on our list is quinoa, the ancient grain that's a complete protein. Whether it's in a salad or as a side, quinoa is a versatile and nutritious option for any meal. At number 5, we have avocados. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy fats, promoting heart health and keeping your skin glowing. Yum! Who doesn't love avocado toast? Sixth on our list is spinach. This vibrant leafy green is rich in iron, helping to boost your energy levels. Blend it into a smoothie or sauté it for a quick side dish. Seventh, we have almonds. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E, these nuts are perfect for snacking. A handful a day can keep those cravings at bay. At number 8, sweet potatoes steal the spotlight. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Try them baked, mashed, or in fries. So versatile. Ninth, let's talk about salmon. This oily fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, crucial for heart health and brain function. Grill it or toss it in a salad for a savory kick. And last, but definitely not least, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard right. High in antioxidants, it can actually improve heart health and boost your mood. Just remember to choose one with at least 70% cocoa. So there you have it, folks. 10 superfoods that your body will absolutely love. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious health tips. See you next time.